So it's the same thing, we don't need a lot, but I'm going to put them with the courgette and make like a warm dressing, salad dressing to go on them. There's a lot there that still aren't ready. Now you can see the sun's like shining through them, and you can see the peas inside are quite little. There's Oz waiting for another pea. He's watching. Great concentration going on there. Mmm, delicious. Ozzy? Nice? Mmm.
Very good.
Yeah, that's plenty. So next we're going to harvest one of our tubs of potatoes that Fred's got there and see if they're ready and if there's how much is in there. So what Fred does is he gets a tarpaulin out or a piece of something that he can actually tip out the potatoes onto, and then he'll choose the bucket that he's going to harvest. And this is, we also need to watch Ozzy here because he is liable to nick a potato and run off with it. So how do you know that that's the right one, babe?
Everything's dying off.
Yeah.
The flowered about 2 weeks ago.
So it's 2 weeks since it flowered and it's died off. Okay.
Not much light.
Right. Okay, I'm going to put this down. And what type of potato is it?
Mary's pear.
Mary's pear. Show us the wrapper. Okay, cool. And you just tied that to the handle so that you'd know which one it was?
Yeah.
Okay. Where are you going now? So step one is trimming the growth off the surface. I see you're in one of your quiet moods today, Frederick.
Ah, yes, please. That will go straight into the compost.
And we just move this back a bit. Okay. Ozzy? We do it? Here's the basket. Oh, sorry. I'll wait till you've got them out. There doesn't seem to be much in there, does there? Oz has come to have a look. You taters, Oz? Yay, there's some there. Leave it. Others. Those are going to be delicious. Boiled, just boiled with a big knob of butter. There is nothing quite like the taste of homegrown potatoes. See, Ozzy is very curious. So once Fred gets the obvious ones out, he would just go through the soil to see if there's any that he's missed. Ozzy's got something. What you got? What you got? So that's what he does. He nicks something and then he runs off with it. Baby potato. Tiny baby potato. Ozzy, little klepto. So what Fred does is he just runs his hands, breaks the soil up, and just checks if there aren't any that he's missed. And invariably, this is not too difficult because it's in a container. But when we dig them out of the beds, we invariably miss them. Are you back for more? Did you find one? Is it delicious? Yummers! Delicious. Another one. So, what do you think about that harvest? Say again?
Not great.
Not great. Do you think you've taken them out too soon?
No.
I know you like the big ones, but I actually prefer the little ones. They're sweeter. That's it. How much do you think's there? £3. You need to talk a bit louder.
£3.
£3. Oz, do you approve? Boy, that's the one I was going to have. Where's that gone? Don't take a big one, Oz. Don't take a big one.
You want a big one, you have a big one.
No, Oz, you're not allowed a big one. That's it. That's the first lot of potatoes. You're going to leave the others a bit longer, Frederick? Yeah. Cool. Fred's not in a talkative mood today. Now you've met Mr. Grumpy Ass Fred.